how to add CName record in Cloudflare. So let's get started. So if you also want to add a CName in Cloudflare, then here's what you need to do. So first, just head over to your cloudflare.com and make sure you logged into your account by simply tapping on login. And as you can see, I've already logged into my account. Now once you're inside here, just click on this domain registration and click on managed domains. And whenever you click on manage domains, as you can see, currently I don't have any domain available. So if you have domain available, you must be shown over here. And once it's shown over there, you can basically click on this particular domain, or and once you click on it, you can easily head over to this part where there is a button called update DNS configuration. So simply tap on this, and once you tap on this, you should be heading over to this page where you can actually click on add and add record and simply provide your CName record just like this. And once all of these details are correct, you can simply click on save, and that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.